Alright, abusia memfa enase sonko emfiri Mega TV aso ye emfa bra obibi enyankopon enhira papa eni abribia mo support am de man ewe yem platform we eso na mobeka ya enche bia ena NDC amanyuku no eba abonten ebeye press conference ni na ne se owura bia oye soja ni ayefe no eye brigadier Eriko Poku chese ukopie woni fi e wa Ashanti region. In fact owura no wapaki abatfo ho niema tu ahodro ena odi agugu ni fi enti NDC amanyuku no suspect se owura no awudisem anasa abonofo sembi ebekoso ewo ni na kache a election yi bra ye koyi enti omo agina so aye press conference na press conference ni mu no se mo beka ya enche bia na Bunu regional chairman owura ye friend Abronye Kwame Bafu. Yes owura we ekogina banda ekeka nsembi na ndie na woka ne se sebi abatwo na ye kono wa obeye wa adwin se obedi nsemfo no ombekun. In fact ewu nipa a lot of blood will be shed. In fact Abronye sansem de okan yi me ba ha no ebe condemn ye se Abronye sebi uyi panyini nkasa saa na yenim DAC in 2020 elections was Techiman South. Abronye edi cite example akachire timamfo mo no se anhwe ye kura na abatfo aye koyi nipa bewu achense de incident na isi ewo Techiman South no na Samija mfi eye press conference na oye den oboni din ena in fact otutu bi edemane no na Abronye sore ya oso ntiase ade na Samija mfi boni din no osen no eba ni politics ya wakona nim sen no sebi wako wani sen bi o politics na se unim nyansa osimayi nja na kika nkwasi asem sebi yenko na yenkotie eye Abronye DC yakoba ye di Samija mfi nsem na okan ye no enso beto aso ama na bibi etimi akoso na meso so be subscribe to your channel na like do di na wa share na afoforo nso etimi enyi biawe hanom Mega TV, your authentic platform. Always they be a best serve with trending news, especially in politics. Now your more in-depth analysis among so who get echo. Intimate source over the Joe who know what you say no a bright ABP go now subscribe to your channel also. Nothing so like ye channel no your program no was share now for you be a record. May link in description no Facebook page ni so ewo hoko na ko follow yen ewo Facebook awusia yenko na yenko tie nsema owura Abronye DC odi tu edwa yekoba di Samija mfidie epeto aso
for press conference wo mu ye what
o matia
Diana AC Bunu region
me da se bibri ne di kan na kan wa fidi kase na so na mafa kwanya we so ache watifo nyina na onye ba maka kire ose abawe no esese Ghana ni bia oseba bia no opie na ho de ne so na ni bre so na okokoto na ba edema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia any MPP parliamentary candidate bia o contest o conference bia abawe no ohene ba eye abato aye kwakoto se ye free education and I say ye free education so what you say
yeah
so 2 years ya aye number 1 number umia na da number 1 no a class of free education oto NDC a class of free education and I will tell you why. Nienti America san say what is NDC ni bia tna radio show including Don Darga Mahama etna radio ni TV bia so katre we asese ono ba obatoa free education for yaza adentia o mampanyine na nado danko akofoado me no kase so anya 18 years mboa and to visit Diana or near Bimu Riasi, any abrabomu. But a pay ɔmampanyini ne mfie a wɔdi nyinaa akyiri no wɔtumi asɔre ahoɔden aprepare krataa ayɛ ne mmara sɛ meekɔi ɛdeɛ na bɛsi m'akyi enti biribi a mede aba a yɛfrɛ no free education no meebɔ ho ban ansa na mafiri akonnwa no so wokɔ UK wɔn nwoma sua nyinaa mmara bata ho wokɔ Germany wɔn mmara sua nyinaa mmara bata ho ɛna ɔmampanyini sɛ meekɔi no adeɛ a ɛyɛ free education no ɛyɛ ano asɛm bi nti meyɛ mmara bata ho sɛ ɛkyena bi CPP PNC NDC anaa party bi ba aban mu a wankasa free education no mentumi nyɛ anaa meetwam woyɛ saa mmara ne no wonyɛrɛn ɛnni ɛna ɔde saa mmara wei akɔakɔto parliament sɛ parliament yɛbaben ɛdaa no ɔne na NDC foɔ ɛnka MPP ho na free education mmara no wɔn nye ntom na ɛmɛyɛ mmara sɛ ɛkyerɛ bi party bi ba power ɔntumi ntwa free education mo abambaben ne NDC foɔ no sɛ wɔn mfrɛ parliament nnɛ wɔn mfrɛ parliament ɔkyena na free education mmara no yɛkɔ akɔgye atum enti deɛ na wɔn ka kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ yɛnti asɛm no yie o wote free education woba a wobɛtoa so ɛna ɛsi no ɔyate yɛgye wodi na mmara a yɛde akɔto parliament a ɛkyerɛ sɛ free education no obi ba ɔmfa ne nsa nkasa ma yie firi hɔ anaa matwam no ɛwɔ mmara nie monkɔ parliament na monkɔ paase saa mmara no NDC MPs John Mahama aka kyerɛ NDC MPs waka kyerɛ abambaben sɛ monkɔ parliament nnɛ ɛnkɔ kyena ama national chairman of NDC ɛsoasi so bia sɛ NDC MP bi a ɔbɛkɔ parliament akɔgye saa mmara no atom no wɔn bɛyi nadi enti Ghanafoɔ ntie ne yie o turu wo ntumi ɛne baabi a ɛkɔduro bi a sɛ mene mo kasa sɛsiɛ no yɛwɔ mmara ɛwɔ parliament ɛsɛ sɛ yɛgye tom ma no bɛyɛ mmara baatan a ɛbɔ free education ho ban NDC foɔ sɛ yɛnkɔ parliament nnɛ ɛnkɔ kyena ɛnkɔgye saa mmara no ntom ɛka kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ sɛ sɛ yɛyɛ mistake ɛde NDC ba a free education mmara na ɔmo so ɔmo nyi ntomi na sɛ ɔmo ba aban mu a ɔmo kasa free education no koraa no sɛ biribi a mata ho nti ntumi ntoa so anaa meboa sɛ Ghanafoɔ bɛkae a NDC ba aban mu 2009 June 2009 na 5 minister bɛyɛ announcement sɛ ne matana kɛ no wɔn ntumi ntoa so bi mpakyɛ obi tie obi wɔyɛ announcement wɔn ntumi nyɛ bi sɛ obi nkyɛ obi a enti abawo no ɛyɛ sɛ wopɛ free education anaasɛ wompɛ ɛho abatoɔ ne yɛkɔ akɔto no 7 December a MPP a yɛfa nkatoni ne Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ɛne ne parliamentary candidates nyinaa wɔ 276 constituencies sɛ wɔn apɛ free education no nti wonya ɔnya akɔto a na wɔto sɛ saa nkurɔfoɔ wɔ adi akɔka Bawumia ho a free education mmara na NDC-foɔ sɛ ɔmo nkɔ parliament no wɔn bɛpaase na aba abɛyɛ mmara ɛyɛ MPP-foɔ no mmara sɛ bɛkafoɔ ne bɛtumi ayɛ saa adeɛ no January na ɔyɛba maka ɛnoa wie no parliament yi a wɔn so wɔn nkɔyi no wɔn na bɛyɛ adwene sɛ appropriation bill ɛsɛ sɛ wɔn paaseɛ ɛma December adwumayɛfoɔ ne wɔn akatua atitafoɔ nursefoɔ doctorfoɔ kɔnsakfoɔ national workers the public sector TUC-foɔ nyinaa no wɔn akatua wɔn sɛ December yi no ɛnam suba na NDC adana di sɛ wɔn nkɔ parliament no sika adwumayɛfoɔ de bɛdi buro na kɔ ɛɛdini ɔyɛ ba wɔyɛ aware of that.
Oh, pa.
We are aware sɛ aba mo no sika ya ba ya o man nen kitiriye yan tia duma e fo ta o mo nto ade agadi fo so ba ya nen a ho ba kire o mo anya sa na tie because you discan e ko to be we come to my ni yan tia meka and this in kwa na anti say ya finance minister aye a different ne ko ti boto me line and say ya finance minister foforo amana ban bi ba wa to afo no and this for say yan kwa ne en ko tena anti me no ka say a different na e ko ti next year no kana dumani bi aka tia bia no the no mo dey no 7 for am 7 for no be because at the end of the parliament ne wo mo ko parliament wo tena and so you teacher ni na 7 December wo ko to aba ho ba bi wo to aba ko we are next ni no ko to aba ho ba bi wo to aba ko we are doctor ni no ko to aba ho ba bi wo to aba ko we are contract member we are TUC member we are KU member ho ba bi wo to aba ko 7 December na NDC kana shimu gana jumefo to wanye adwuma wo chapata sa ban ni kioka aban na ye ready sa me de menchi say aba parliament NDC for say yen konne yen kwatena nkwatin tuma enti jumefo ka nti say gana jumefo enim ba do mu gina because of yen kwa parliament no ye me NDC abawo ya ye kwa kwato no wo ye anzie nia no wa hwo mu yie oye ba wo ya wo ese ye nchihye at the parliament electoral commission ye ready say ye ni anzie for ye ni reklamo for ye ni so wo ya wo esa yeah Saturday Sunday no electoral commission ye nchihye say abatoa fibi e besi fieda e besi memenda ana kwasieda no yemfanko da foforo we are aware of that.
Oh yes yeah
na afewe abatoa no e chiri memenda ama electoral commission ane attorney general Ghana ban ana na do dan kwa kofo do da no wo nyina di to mu se abatoa ne de se fieda e si memenda ana kwasieda emwa fante ye constitution no agin kramosumdi agi abosonsumdi agi krisosumdi enti sita dana emwa enti ye abasa yenkin kwada asumbi anyere eni ho emra no kwado parliament no angi fo ati agi fo ayi MPP fo enti sama no mo nyintum.
Yeah, that's true.
Anti idea for a more quatuaba, a government dano, a more sono, MPP applying, electoral commission applying, and won't say what sono a yama or mine Ghana. A sincere and come on a yama or mine Ghana. A sequacheta, sa, suna, kiso, yama or mine Ghana. And to Dana a CM, a buying pay MPP a buying and she said, and the electoral commission said, a government done and give for it. You are the quad that one almost what to be. And this is what said, and give for a MPP for until the young man in Tuna or buyer. I'm an MPP. And the idea over piano until the year not 7 December. Oh, baby, or Tonabaco. Once the Andy to commit to near the Marco Parliament. I'm not one than free member. Near Fanquatuada. NDC. I don't know my dear Nimu. And to make us an idea for the family and to Tuaba, dear by and formal. Idea for a Basramo. The agreement that among akaya satnaho amamo akaya mesomo anti ade ni bia o tiba bia no oye na som via o de ne se and no madam ti say wo mrase be na ko mo ni da no kwato da o mo so mo ntia fie no agiefo empie wo mo dodo mu ankofo aba entia o mo because adina da o mo tim no enye papa oya ba makana ta bi obi sa press conference no nyata enye wa fidie ko akiri a man for tia come on respond to that little rat. Yes. Come on respond to that little rat. And then she can't do a reality. I ought to keep my son quiet and get in. Woman, what dear? Woman, son, say, or no, press conference, quite bombing dinner. In Ghana politics in 20 years ago, women say me them to say no classing. Women say the keep enemy. Now lawyer need dia or one answer piano. Listen, lawyer need no or nini dia. A some bia lawyer nini becano or back with fact any evidence. And I'm a boy.
Yeah.
Melasi. Or so the kum. I did budget to free or more from Banana. Because when we have to go down into a budget to some of them free, and this now or yet the thing now, whatever you say, come. And I want fully soldiers and so that, or yet press conference about one can say, I make them free a bit to my day. I get our home, or not get the year because we school one copy. Until the school now, or soon young Sunday press conference. Natikado Mahama Riano, or one of the Diana Japadi. No, I'm getting full soldiers. Watch now, ask yourself. Set some of them feel constituency tower. Then, and you go see about the Bonano. Now, Monkanjas and Memon for convoy and Koto. I told now about hanging out in the into a benefit about a press conference.
Tell me.
Oya announcement say oko banda. Oya announcement say oko wanti. Oba Sunan West. Oko Sunan Isia. Obeto wana na. Enkora eme dina machine ase na omo sabi ankora 10. Na ko ya same jam fi de ba kono. Afia dun katia kwa mi sa convoy ni bi. Omo na sina kamai. When obi o ready na bi aye. I saw Sami dem fi convoy, also chain nipa oko shia omo. And this general secretary, then is a convoy. Land cruiser be a two no dinachi. General and this general secretary kwanibi. And the convoy and kwando to chain. And the Sunano West and it for beshia omo. Now obogana emfa. Ofi oba abono only a successful. Abamina and this year didn't come. Megano won't to meet you what say. First, I'm not a year or born region, you know. On post to on the plate, so. On post to about our born region, I want to apostle Peter Makora.
I'm here to say it.
I want to say on the plate, so. On my press conference, say, about Bonato, all kind of woman, and I'm a boy.
Yeah.
On to Sammy Jump 8. Sabona Toma or Koyano. Only living pictures here. And then let's open my beer, you show, and my mom phones over how I'm a one. And she a problem of Koya, what did you say to Mamma Bewino? Woman and show pictures in Chiramu. Now, what the hell? No, I can't say. Only from. But I took the small say, Baba, dear, and you got here. And you know, I'm saying, let's go away rating her. Let's talk more Muria. And it's all I can't say. I'm going to me, I was soon. And you are so conquo. I love Christians about the power of iron and many because make kind of metal. Our rating, ultimate pool is 0.1% growing. Oh, yeah. And the parliamentary candidates are watching on me. Yabu, mo ewo banda wanti Sunana West time Sunana East mumisano man for pensate wo man no ne nam Sunana kroma dey wo man no ne nam Sunana kroma dey wo na wo ba na Christians 20 ne kita wo sana wo so man no boy dey ayedem atukodi man no wa dey na me nam kroma na me no kata kwa no fo go so bon wanum no fo go so bon wanum ka ke dem banganga what you here
well
anti wo wa so na one sikate cream because you can get a kwama nini ne ta same jamfi ta papa so ne do mahama o go riya na ta Papa do mahama nini ne ta same jamfi be riya na sa ala wa pa wo riya no aye ba de ko press conference kwato do mahama na kasa ba to no wa wusu na wo no wa fa no picture ko ready han ye wu convoy da nti ata same jamfi ba ya pe ne convoy ni ayi amanfo pesa o mo ba be sha no masa ya mini serious business
sure
ani etia ne ye aduma no press conference no mo ye no ka chama che obaye I am this forum free me sata me jamfi questions sa press conference no wa ya pretty much obaye communication officer aka tell say ba we ni ya ba I just say now we so issue who or you know market
right
ya we homework den kwara you benya 58% to 60% our born already
good
so what you say
I'm with you Chairman
I you know ya we homework den kwara benya 58% to 60% environmental situation wo no pa ye no do hu ye no the NDC me kan mo sadan kwa mo asem ne se mo sadan kwa global info no research no no na yo anya mo sadan kwa na research no aye NDC Peter Otukuno ana ye research no ya research na and so ye no NDC nti no be amamo sadan kwa te ono mo mfa metuka
I see
so what you plan now and what sadan kwa operate from NDC party or headquarters and now what to be na what ba what to be asimano now what to be the research about one thing every 2 days be a research our Ghana have the results yesterday now what is that say global info no one kasano now what day you Kenya every 3 days be our research every report to Betuga global info no our rep to Tunyana East our to 276 constituencies and every 3 days be our to meet some and research and sample pool at the Betuga masa and more being
okay
so what you say and for what already you know what we said they are roasting and you know that's a no pay make come to send me a seat to mine he is mad officer or audio I don't know cool and no so I join news you know thank you before hour and full subject no one answer and so we just have jumpy and cool money message what's that one you say over for said they see the mine video no I will find now when you are central for or more I don't know one play video now me cry you know and drama for betting name and it's me evident ba ko kwa say ma dimo ba bia ka say e ba kun kuma man for to send you see the mine
okay Chairman
and the more na say my budget you ko di do ma ma tikani because emra ne yaso me dem nyam kwasia budget nkwan ko MPP yi obisa MPP headquarters here. Me budget in see what that. Me nyankwasi budget. What I say? The makosa kama bonyo na menam. Ntino ono na nyankwasi budget because the mama nyankwasi sika. Ekutanu nto ono nyankwasi budget kwa. No stitia mama na ono so wonsa no na risk bi akikanti ani ana otini feeding bottle na no otia. Officer everything is okay. Me catch your mama say the retirement, you know. Final retirement pension him by 7 December. And 9 December, I will now be declared as a president-elect of the Republic of Ghana.
As a chairman, Kwame Bafo Abronya Bunu Regional Chairman.
Enti we ensema Abronye DC so wetimi ababontin dia betu edwa. Ya semu Abronye die kese wura wi twe ono ho nti ase o. Unim sankofo we no ni kwan se Ghana for muti omo because clearly na Abronye DC e ka kire Ghana for ina say MPP fail na sise omo communication stain no kra omko radio to any TV to omunya semenka ote wono mabunso no bia test no chele mabe standard o TV so mami sense manase mami a lot of feed me with apple na or send the questions and also send the propaganda and sense na or the mom or live television Abronye kan we na sa womba kayenche ya Abronye bra Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia eyi ni campaign team omombe twa manifesto and omombe hwa ma campaign akoso Abronye hwe ni din from head to toe won huni din oni ni wofa na no bribu ahin omoba TV so radio so ebeye dide Ghana for yaso ekan mo bia ti se MPP manko mogai omo kwoti omo de. So this master you say eyomu yefunu ena omodinam ye wo hono ma na omo samba say o say Bawumia ne omo akasa entinu MPP no monjai asema me kan say me sure say mo kai into these politicians no somebody like Abronye okasa ni kwan so tie because ono ni yefunu de obedie ene de obehye ene nebusuafo ehwo adwene woni tirim na mom utimamuni a wabre asebi wakogina wie bi so ato aba no de omunkayo and they always use our taxes to do what is not expected to do. Intino Abronye de munjana asem me makache ono ye just a toothless dog or kasabagbogo ni hwi party na kasa ko mahunso communications nye intino manfo anka ho okosu kire omo ana omo edu hye baby ai ne we didi gu yasumi yenko na yenko ti sami jemfi sema no nso di tu bia amasa ye Abronye ababo ntino no nso ni abre ne ho a wakasa chima masebi ni sisi echi nyina egu ho no mi anyway nyankopon hira median mega subscribe for the test update meso say document betum na like idwadi na wahye na afoforo so atimi enyi biahwe hanom eye authentic platform ya ka che odi ekoso Ghana yem politics mina no hanom ina obinya no enti mesro bomodina subscribe na bekan ho na bibia ntimi enkoso yenko na yenkoti Owura Sami Jemfi the National Communications officer edema MPP NDC amanyuko no nsema auditu edwa ekoba ebeto aso
who were shot and killed during the 2020 elections, including those shot in broad daylight at Techiman South. We have not forgotten how in Cabronu, in Banda, an innocent teacher trainee who doubles as an evangelist called Silas was stabbed and murdered in cold blood by MPP hoodlums. Until date, the perpetrators are walking free. And as a result, today you have a useless character, a buffoon like Abronye, who goes to Banda, the very place the young man was murdered. Not too long ago, a few days ago, he goes to that place and he says that in this year's election, more people will be murdered than we saw at Techiman. Well, I have news for him. If he tries anything silly, he will not live to see the aftermath of this year's election. Because the people of this country will not sit aloof and allow innocent Ghanaians to be murdered. I'm just coming from Banda, where I concluded my Bono tour. And if you go there today, the police commander there and the electoral commission district officer have all been transferred. They've all been transferred and new people brought there for obvious reasons. And you should see the kind of tensions that are beginning to rise in the area. This is not what we want for Ghana. Elections are about counting hairs and not cutting hairs. No single person in Ghana must lose their life because of an election. Because this is about the people's free will to decide for themselves those they deem fit to lead them. So we are calling on the Inspector General of Police, who is the chairman of the Election Security Task Force, not to allow any persons to usurp his authority. The IGP and the Election Security Task Force must get to the bottom of this election rigging plot and stop Brigadier General Opoku and his stacks from embarking on another Techiman-styled killings. The IGP owes a duty to the people of Ghana to be firm and fair-minded to ensure peace during and after the December 7th elections. In this regard, we in the NDC assure him of our fullest cooperation. We also call on the Chief of Defense Staff to institute investigations into these important issues and bring Brigadier General Opoku to book. We are aware that as we speak, he is sabotaging him because he has the backing of Akufo-Addo. And so he doesn't respect Opon Pepra. He has been promised that help us maim, intimidate, harass, kill people so that the MPP can rig the election. And when we win, you'll be made CDS. And so he doesn't even give a hoot about the CDS. Now the CDS owes a duty to Ghana and the oath he has sworn to put his foot down and ensure that this guy is called to order. The NDC and by extension the people of Ghana will hold the IGP and the Chief of Defense Staff and our security heads responsible for the loss of a single life in the 2024 general elections. As I have already said, elections are about counting heads and not cutting hairs. No person must lose his or her life on the altar of elections. Friends from the media, peace has a price. And all of us, well-meaning Ghanaians, must be prepared to pay that price for peace to prevail in Ghana before, during, and after the 2024 general elections. One of the ways to preserve the peace and stability of Ghana is to join hands in condemning persons who have the tendency and proclivity of compromising free, fair, and peaceful elections. With barely 18 days to the December 7th polls, the NDC is confident, 100% confident of a resounding victory if the elections are free, fair, and peaceful. This is because the NDC has a superior presidential candidate with a superior vision and message, backed by a superior proven track record. The upcoming election is a choice between a trustworthy, reliable, and honest leader in the person of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama against the dishonest, discredited, unrepentant, pathological liar and common Alhaji Bawumia. We in the NDC have no doubt that Ghanaians will choose an honest leader who upholds the virtues of truth, decency, and candor in public life over one who is completely allergic to the truth. The December 7th polls is a choice. And listen to me carefully. Those of you who love your children, December 7th polls is a choice. between a political party, the NDC, that truly believes in the promotion of proper human sexual rights and family values for the protection of the innocence of our children. And on the other hand, a political party, the NPP, that supports the promotion of LGBTQ++, hence the refusal of their leader to sign the anti-LGBTQ++ bill into law. This election is a choice between the nation builder, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, as against the failed economist, Alhaji Bawumia. It is not about violence. It is a choice between President Mahama, who bequeathed a solid economy with a stable credit rating of B-, sustainable public debt, and strong economic buffers, as compared to the failed economist Alhaji Bawumia, who has borrowed Ghana into bankruptcy and supervised the near collapse of the Ghanaian economy. Friends, our dear nation is at a crossroads and requires an urgent reset. We don't need violence. What we need is an urgent reset. Not only have the Akufo-Addo Bawumia NPP government failed to keep almost all their flagship promises to Ghanaians, but they have totally run down Ghana's economy, leading to unprecedented hardships and an ever-worsening standard of living. Ghanaians need the experience and steady pair of hands His Excellency John Dramani Mahama offers. His proven track record of sound economic management and the right transformational vision is what Ghana needs at a time such as this to steer us out of the current abyss we find ourselves. We in the NDC are convinced that Ghanaians will vote for change on December 7th. You can say amen to that. Amen. Because the people of Ghana will choose experienced, tried and tested nation builder John Dramani Mahama over the dangerous and fraudulent experiment called Alhaji Bawumia. The NPP knows this, and seeing defeat staring at them in the face, have resorted to dark and evil plans to rig the election through ballot stuffing, the swapping of ballot boxes, pink sheets, and other shady activities using willing and dangerous collaborators like Brigadier General Opoku and the 2BN commanding officer, Lieutenant Colonel Nyako Osai. Ladies and gentlemen, Ghana is all we have. Hence the NDC's unconditional commitment to peace. Anyone who plots or attempts to subvert the will of the people by undermining the sanctity of the upcoming election is an enemy of the state and must be dealt with in accordance with law. We all owe it a sacred duty to God and country to expose and stop such characters so as to ensure that the peace and democracy we enjoy today is sustained. Thank you very much for your attention, and may God bless.
So we and Sama Sami Jemfin so or the two Idra Nanka Sama Sami Jemfi can ye be a sebi and violent or see 2020 no elections no. I of course will take months out on. It wasn't transparent. Inti no na ema so enam so ma omanfo ne your madwin se on be resist. Ye hwe ya kwabna ni atwetu straight bullet pam 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 pam. Aden wo Gaza ana wo mukan say Ukraine na watu sebi itu sa dia hwe ni baso. Even omukwa omuho no kwa no sa no mututu. Enti when Sami Jemfi ka say no sa de we die entwaye nipa pa odi tu be hwe ne so na wasibri aboni timi die sebi adabraka na obi ye boni sebi ye emrane nhye nsem hye enye den yengi ne kra mfi ni nsem not even obi wakoku bi ye constitution emma nipa no right to take a lawyer for himself first. It is such a person no kra no omone nam kurom ma omunye nku obi didida. How much more obi a wallegi say wakofa ballot box wayesi ni de kaka ho. Enti Sammy Gyamfi ne nkofo chimje saa nneema na ekọ so Techiman South in 2020 ebi nsi. Nti abronye saa nsɛm no kɔgyina bandak kae no ɔyɛ panyin ma ɔnkasa saa, and the ɔkeka no nso no sɛ bi nyansa anim. Nti Sammy Gyamfi ɛrɔ bɛhyɛ ne nsɛm ɔkae yei na ama abronye so a ɔkeka nsɛm bebree o. Na Sammy Gyamfi kyerɛm kae owura yɛfrɛ no Eric Opoku ɛyɛ brigadier in soldier ɛne Kenna Obi one Kenna Obi ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo adwene sɛ allegedly no ɔmbɛ staff ballot boxes, swapping of ballot boxes. I mean ɔmbɛtwitwa bi egum papers no ɔmbɛtwa bi egum afei so ɔmbɛyɛ ɔmo adwene sɛ ɔmbɛ sisa ɔmo de wei kɔ abɛn sɛ na ɔmo de ɔmo ankasa ɔmo de a fake one na ɔmo de abɛhyɛ mu. Ɛna Sammy Gyamfi ɛyɛ ho press conference ka sɛ saa nneɛma no ɛnkɔ so because this time around no ɔmo ni da hɔ. Enra babonti beka say sa press conference no it was needless, but adeɛ woman adeɛ baako woman eman ebebo mo ne sɛ sa brigadier no Eric Opoku no sɛ yampa sɛ sa adwumadi na ɔkɔso a ɛwɔ na kachi a ɛno deɛ obema na adwan ba na ho so. But the only way a emboa ne sɛ obe use different strategy. Yes, because if only say he has allegedly paid for data anya onjai obe use different strategy. Nti MPP NDC for mo press conference na mbe no mo nso mo meye ensign koda because the basa na ende na akoye se mo be kan asem ni keke e de kire Ghana for month ho na mo. Do you understand what I'm saying? Minim say what in make na say. Nti sabi election dey say dey Sammy Gyamfi kan no. It's about counting hairs, not cutting hairs. See na ye kwachire ya do peacefully. America the year omo about 170 states. Now omo to yet is sabi obi obi aso ke obi kura de pania wo bi. Why net is asem no? Why net ye baby so? Obi anti say even kura no. Obi a complaining say ye phone ye ne ya ewo polling station. It's in Ghana about 40 million population. Edintia Ghana about 40 million population. Yes sir. Me pacho me flow me broadcast pacho me flow Edintia about Ghana 40 million population. Mumfanche me. Yes sir. So it must, you know, we have to learn from them. It was so peaceful and tranquil. Yantifi Jabronya which o yere ukwachi ukonhunti tini yere ukwachi bejina honom kekase bi nsɛmfo a o patch the same the pokun wodi esi the pokun ada mo ka kyerɛ sɛ wodi obewu bia na o ti radio so keka nsɛmfo so kaso obi bewu a obi maame obi papa obi agapade onu de onwu ba wo de kaso obewu na usuru o keka sɛ bi nsɛmfo sɛ wodi oba politics mi gya Sammy Gyamfi na ade abronye nsɛm ɔkani na no sɛ bi ɛyɛ propaganda oni facts ɔyɛ propaganda oni de ɔyɛ na ɔmoko position wi a some of them they will plead, some of them they will beg, others to suffer. Yes, and that is it. I mean, for we make also subscribe to your channel now. Like it, Madino. Now I share now for friends who at me any be a share. Remember me chiba for United States of America. Mami home free New York. Yankupon share me mami. Sanso mami roye be home free UK. Yankupon yeme mami kesi obi bia Oche Mega TV abre any abre nyina. I salute you. Yankupon shiraw. Bisraw subscribe na like yen page no. Share na fufuro nyi bi hwe. Ko description ni mi Facebook page wo no me patch ko na ko follow me na enjoy the interesting content I want to create a different thing altogether. Timisraw. Revival man link in the description wa ko na ko streaming nom. on all the music platforms: Boomplay, Audiomack, Spotify, SoundCloud, Apple Music, and other music platforms streaming. Do you know a Revival Man or UK, Ghanaian based UK? What I say, until the court na streaming in na bibi ntime koso. Ma memfa wonsi. Makra, bye bye.